Thanks, Ginger.
There are no tropical cyclones on the Eastern Pacific or the Central Pacific.
That's all for this tropical update. Come back in 6 hours for another tropical update on the Tom and Ben News Hurricane Central.